Hi guys.
I'm playing this game that Jane hasn't made of it.
Yeah,
And
look at
it's
this.
called Sweet Baby, My Baby Food. I mean.
Yes, my baby food. You see that game? It's for the game.
Version. What's the full version?
It's young. Ah!
What's remove ads? Cancel. Right. Let's cancel. Okay, so let's play. Oh, no. Food. Get food. Get food. Get food. Get food. Get food. Get food.
Oh, what the heck? Caysen's flying. No. Oh, sorry, it was my cat. My cat needs something.
I haven't played this
Oh my God, Caysen. Look at the floor. Someone's carrying in it. Yeah, it's like this stupid thing. Just keep doing that and it's actually keep doing that. I'll just pick it up. Move! What's it talking about? It's just it's talking. Okay, it's a good place.